Today is December the 19th, and I'm doing a video of precious little Oakley. What is that, Oakley? What is that? Can you get that? What does it say? It says, ho, ho, ho. Ho, ho, ho. I am ready for Christmas. Yeah. He is precious. He was born on September the 21st. He's going to be 5 to 6.5 pounds full grown. He's gorgeous. He's got a sweet little temperament. And he does not shed, as you know. Maltese do not shed. They're hypoallergenic. He comes with a 1-year help guarantee, his CKC papers, and he has had his 6, 9, and 12-week shots, so he is ready to go. He's been semi-trained on potty pads, and he's a smart little boy. Yes, you are. You just love to get out and play, don't you, Mr. Oakley? Yes, you do. So give Barb a call, 251-300-9534, about precious little Oakley.